How to stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook. Now, let's say you want to stop sharing your contents, your stories, or your posts from your Instagram account to your Facebook account. All you have to do in order for you to stop sharing this or combining your information and contents from your Instagram to Facebook is to go to your Instagram account right here and then go to your profile icon. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner and click on Account Center. Once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on Sharing Across Profiles and tap on your Instagram account. Once you're here, you can see that from your Instagram account, you share to your Facebook account. Now, in order for you to stop sharing your Instagram account contents to your Facebook contents, all you have to do is to toggle off every content that is automatically shared from your Instagram to your Facebook, whether that may be posts, stories, or reels. So that's how to stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook. Hope we help.